Hey internet people, my name is Art. A few of you guys might know me if you're in the Subaru world as the Notorious ART on Instagram and now on YouTube. I drive a '04 white Forester XT with a bunch of stuff done to it and a lot more since the last time some of you saw it, but I'll get into that in future videos. This video is more focused on my girlfriend, Clarissa. She has been a drift fan for a long time, as have I been, but we've been spectators for a number of years rather than actually doing any skidding. So finally, while I'm working on my Cressida project car to get out there, she has bought a 350Z. So right now she's out in the back of the house washing the car, getting it all video ready. We'll check that out. Then we're going to my friend Zach's house, meeting up with him. He's got an SC400 with 6-speed swap and a turbo on it, and the thing is pretty fucking awesome. So we'll check that out in a minute. We're gonna go cruising, find a good spot, hopefully that doesn't have any cops or anyone's gonna call us in, and then try some donuts. We'll see what we can do. We'll see what she can do. I know I can do them. She's not so confident. Alright, so we'll go through my garage to see the car. While I'm standing out here filming, I see my dog. Looks like he's bringing me some gifts. I don't know if you can see inside there. Got a little teddy bear for me, so let's bring him out. See if I can get it. Come on, Sarge. Oh, what do you got? What do you got, buddy? Where are you going? Do you have a teddy bear for me? Give me it. Oh, thank you. Hey, Sarge, can you sit? Can you sit? High five. Boom! There you go. Good boy. Where are you zooming to? Do you want to go see what Clarissa's doing? Okay, so it's probably a little dark in here for you guys, and it's a terrible mess right now because I was out here working on these two cars. You'll notice there are two almost identical, or seemingly identical Forester XTs. The guys that know me from Instagram know me for this XT here. You can tell kind of the differences with the big brakes, a lot of the underside stuff, big brakes up here, and some fun stuff underneath now. This thing officially has a 6-speed transmission. I have an STI. You can see it right there. It's at around mid 400s. Basically what I did is took all of that stuff out of this Forester that I bought and swapped my drivetrain over into here. So this is also almost done. You can see all of the suspension stuff is in, the exhaust work and everything is in, and the motor as well. Probably can't see anything, so nothing exciting. These cars I will get to in future posts. I've got a bunch of footage of me putting them together, messing with them, and then eventually the high horsepower one here, which will be my pretty much dream car that I've thought about for months and years, will be drivable, hopefully, and we'll get some cool footage of that. So for now, forget about those. We're going to see what Clarissa's up to. Oh, hi. She's looking good, looking clean. What are we doing today? I've already told the good people of the internet, but you tell them in your own words.
I'm gonna learn how to do some stuff. Like,
What do you, yes, like what?
Like do some
Like tandem drifting?
No.
Are we gonna do? We're gonna do highway tandem drifts through Minneapolis?
No.
No.
Donuts.
Yes. So tell us what this is for people that don't know. People that have been in a coma since 2002 and don't know what it is.
This is a 2007
Yes.
350Z.
Yes, it sure is. Is there much done to it just yet? What do you have? I see a lip. Who got you that lip? What sort of amazing man got you that lip for your birthday?
The guy behind the camera.
It is the guy behind the camera. Check that out. And what else? Pretty much stock besides
Coilovers.
coilovers. You can see it lowered a little bit, and it's going to be going even lower, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So once you get some proper wheels, these can be her drift spares.
Yep.
And we go a little bit lower, maybe more of a lip kit. Hey, little escape artist, where'd you go? If you're not helping to wash, you need to leave. Not that way though. Sarge, do the Jurassic Park theme song. Oh my God, it's magnificent. So in addition to these two not working cars, I also have my MX-83 Cressida, which is You guessed it, it's not working either. That one has been through a couple different motors, and I finally settled on a 1J, which I'm swapping in right now. It's basically in. I'm doing the 10% of the small stuff afterwards. So got a custom intercooler made, doing the piping right now, and then just have my water pump and timing belt stuff come in. So throwing that all together, and there's always miscellaneous gaskets missing. So things I'm waiting on are kind of holding me up. So when all that's in, start it up and we'll see if it works. Hey Sarge, where are you going? Sarge? Sergeant, where are you going? Don't, why do you look so guilty? You can't turn around, can you? And then you have to physically do this. Sarge, this way. And then he goes back.
Come on, buddy, go. Good boy.
Okay, so we're taking off to go to Zach's house, avoiding speed bumps, so we need to go that way. Yeah, we're making our way downtown, drifting slow. Let's go right. Oh! Ugh. Hey look, this is the guy that we're going to pick up. Get in, loser, we're going drifting. She did like your car. We broke one neck so far. Put the one neck broken. I hope that's the only thing that's broken today.
Don't jinx us.
Yeah, if we break the car, she's not getting home, and she lives over an hour away from me.
I'm okay with that.
You're okay with breaking your car?
No,
I'm
I'm
not.
okay with staying in your house.
But then all the other girlfriends will know about you.
We can just have them along.
You're my Friday and Thursday thing. Oh hey, look! Cressida. We successfully made it 4 to 5 blocks, so we know the car's good. Yeah! So here's the Cressida I was talking about. Notice it has no body kit on it, and like I said, part of a motor. Well, all of the motor, but missing the stuff that bolts onto it.
And a root beer box.
And a root beer box, diet root beer. Because I'm trying to watch my figure. Oh my God, look at him coming in with his wheel. What a man. What's that?
That's not my house.
Well, you can't pull out if she pulls in.
Back up first, then I back up.
Oh, look at that guy.
But then he can't get...
Oh,
hey,
he's
let's
still
help him. Let's help
save
him.
him.
Rescue.
He's dead.
No, he's not dead.
He's still alive. Rescue him.
Bug Rescue 2018.
But then he's gonna be stuck in the web.
No, we're gonna get him out of this sticky situation. I mean, 10 cc's of stick.
He probably already got chewed on a little bit.
Maybe.
We'll check back later and see if he's... There we go,
Yeah.
leave him.
Okay, yes, check back our next video next week to see if that particular bug made it.
Oh my God.
For now, you can see some of the coolness going on here, BRZ.
Oh, hold on.
And SC400.
Right.
Oh, fuck. Go, go, go. Do it out of the exhaust. Do it out of the exhaust. Damn. Oh, yeah. You can't even back it out because it's so fucking long. Give your tens of thousands of fans out there a rundown on this car really quick without popping the hood. Why is this? Why is this? That needs to be here. What's back here? So this is a non-turbo, non-VVTi 2J, correct? Yes.
With 2 extra cylinders.
With 2 extra cylinders and yes, 1 big extra turbo that you might not, you can't see it from there, but you can see an intercooler. And some big wheels and some big brakes and some all good stuff. Spargos. Wah! Cool, let's go cruise. So the neighbor over here gave us a big old thumbs up. I'm gonna call that the second neck broken in this car for the day. That's pretty good. We've only been out for 5 minutes. All right, let the cruise commence. camera sighting. It's a FBRX7. Woo! That was either a awkward-looking man or an old lesbian woman. I can't tell, but he had an FBRX7, probably LS swapped. Big abandoned factory over there. One of these times I like to film a quick video of us going in there. You'll see in the next one the Z and the SC filmed over there, so we just did kind of an exterior thing. Alright, so we're rolling through looking for a good spot right now. Actually, keep going. Keep going. Let's see if we can find a good spot here. Go left here. So yeah, this spot, I mean, the ground's kind of rough. But that's okay, because once we break traction, that won't matter. It's pretty flat all across. Kind of a cool, low bridge area. Dark, secluded. I don't think there's any cameras. Check for that. So this is a great spot. We got an audience of some homeless people over there that might rush over. We got some paper plates here, so we can do pizza after to celebrate. I think it's pretty good. Let's see if you can do it.
Get a little squirrely.
The question is, are you going to get a little squirrely?
Probably not.
What? Okay, so here it is. This is the big moment we've all been waiting for. My girlfriend is about to try drifting. Well, about to try donuts, which is the basis for all drifting.
I think I need to poop.
She probably, she does. She really does. She poops a lot. 4 or 5 times a day.
I do not.
All right, yeah, you rode the clutch a little bit. We've given her a little pep talk. I think she can do it. So let's find out. Wait, stop. Hey, shut it off. All right, so we had a little emergency moment. There was a lot of fluid of something spilling out. It looks like it was just coolant overflow. So you had a little too much coolant. When you were going in a circle, it spilled out of the overflow. So I think you can try it again just fine. Keep your eye on the temperature gauge. Okay. Attempt number 2. Let me move my sandals. There you go. All right, give it another try. Same thing. Like a fucking G! One more. Alright, Zach is gonna make an attempt, and you don't want to be embarrassed by a 90-pound girl, do you? Okay, so we dipped out of that spot because it was getting hot, literally, as you saw with coolant overflow. How did it feel? Tell everyone your excitement.
It was fun.
It was fun.
I liked it.
She liked it.
And, yeah, I can see why people.
It made her squirt.
Shut up! No.
It made her coolant
Let
squirt.
me talk.
Okay, yes, this is about you. This is not about art.
That was like.
And by art I mean me. And let me tell you a little bit about myself, okay? I'm a 6-foot Russian Adonis, and well, basically pro drifter.
That was my first time actually breaking loose. I've done a couple little around like roundabouts. But
I remember my first time when I broke loose. It was 2004, and this was during my clubbing phase. And boy, wow, did it get wild. Go on.
He's lying. He didn't do any clubbing.
I did clubbing.
Maybe like chess club.
Fuck. There you go. That is a beautiful shot. Yes. We've got an SC400 with a turbo, as you saw just skid. We've got the Twin Stadium, this awesome ramp that you're going to be drifting up. The rest, well, in you. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Why are we going through red lights?
You should work it harder.
Oh.
You're a cold head. You're cool. You're here.
So we went to take off, and the SC is DOA for some reason. We'll go investigate, find out what it is. Maybe power steering leak. That is the look of a defeated man. Oh, just to plug it? Yeah. Well, that's a poor design on your end.
It's not mine.
We need something. Okay. Do we have any tools in your car?
Look at that
It's a
butt.
good thing you have 1 metric foot of it. Do you have anything tight
Right here.
and sharp? Oh. So minor inconvenience. Really a mechanic's error. It's not a mechanical error. It's a mechanic's error. What is this, Zach? What is this?
It's an idle air control valve.
Yes, which is just
No
a
longer
hose that had a plug in it that fell out.
This is Dom's.
I feel like, yes, previous owner of this vehicle, shame on you.
In there quick.
Why don't we put something else in there that isn't that?
I don't have it.
I bet we can find a twig that is that size. So while we've got the hood up, you can see the big ass turbo setup. Okay, we'll find something. She wants. Okay, so the solution for our almost idiotic problem is Clarissa's hair. Actually, sorry, it's my hairbrush that I'm gonna sacrifice to the cause of getting Zach's car running. So thanks, Revlon. Exactly what it's meant for. Oh, perfect. We don't even need to use the plug.
I hate that my brush is perfect for this. This is so dumb.
Oh, get it in there. All right, Zach. Go try and start your car up. We'll see. And you will have a good story for when you're brushing your hair with other girls in the bathroom, all naked and wet.
Yeah, because we do that.
Splashing around, talking about stickers. All right. Look at that. Saved by the brush. Okay, we're gonna have Zach lead the way now that he's got his Barbie fix on his motor, and it seems to be holding, I guess. So. All right, so we're wrapping it up for the day. I would say it's been a pretty successful session, yes?
Yeah, it's good.
Yes, it was great. We got a couple drifts in for her. Zach even did one in his SC, which he always refuses to do for some odd reason, even though it's set up to drift.
We got him to do it.
Shame on you, Zach, but not today.
We got him to do it.
We cruised around a little bit. This car performed beautifully. Zach's not as much. He had the air idle control block off, pop off on him, but we fixed it with a hairbrush. So Clarissa's hairbrush, not mine. So in future videos, which we'll be putting out, just quick short ones, you guys can subscribe and check those out. We'll be doing a bunch of car stuff, obviously. Going through on my Foresters, my Cressida, more with the Z. You'll get to watch it progress and build. And then we'll do crazy wild adventures. Take a right. That's not a crazy wild adventure, that's just directions. Post in the comments what you want us to do. Nothing dirty.
Nothing.
A lot of dirty stuff.
Dirty stuff.
Do the dirty stuff.
Yeah.
And we'll be obligated to do it by law. So yeah, bye.